Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum, dear student. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will discuss about new syllabus Mathematics D2 chapter number 3. In chapter number 3 we will discuss about what is made by set. Today we will discuss about exercise 3 in basic level, question number 1 to 5 in part 1. Today we will discuss about question number 1 to 5. Now we will start the question number 1. In question number 1, given statement is that it is given that universal set is equal to letter of English alphabet. Draw the Venn diagram to illustrate the following set, in which the case find A intersection B. First of all, in first part, A part, the set A is equal to A, B, C, E, F, and the element of set B is B, C, O, P, Q. Now, taking the intersection of A intersection B. Now A, write the set of A element, then A, B, C, E, F. Intersection, write the element of set B, B, C, O, P, Q. Here we take the intersection. What is meant by the intersection? Intersection means take the element in both sets, or in other words we can say that the common element on both sets. So the common element in both sets B and C. Now draw the diagram. So Venn diagram according to the given set, this is a universal set, and we draw the set first set and second set. B and C is common element, so both are overlapping sets. Now we can take B part. A is equal to A, C, E and G, and the element of set B, P, Q and R. Now take the A intersection B. First of all, write the element of set A intersection, write the element of set B. In both sets, no element is common, so they have empty set. Then draw the Venn diagram. First of all, this shows the universal set, and both are disjoint set. No element is common. Then draw the first set A, C, E, G, and draw the other set P, Q, R. No element in common, both set. Now we take the next part. In C part, set of element A is equal to X, Y, Z, M, N, and the element of set B is consequent in the word of money. Now we take the intersection A intersection B. Write the element of set A, X, Y, Z, M and N. Intersection, write the element of set B, M, N and Y. Now taking the common element, so all element of B in A. So we write the answer is B, M, N and Y. Now draw the Venn diagram. First of all, this is a universal set. Now draw the element of first set and draw the element of second set. Because B is contained in B, so B is a subset of A. Here we can see in this diagram also. Now take the next part, D part. Set A is equal to consequence in the world of mathematics, and B is the set of consequent in the world of statics. So take the intersection A intersection B is equal to, in first set A element is M, T, H, C and S, and in other set S, T and C. Now C is contained in A, so the answer of intersection is CST. Now we draw the Venn diagram. First of all, universal set. Now the first set and draw the second set in between of first set. So this answer is a D part. Now we will solve the next question, question number 1 of part E. In E part, A is the set of letter in the word of universal and B is the set of the letter in the word is probability. Now we take A intersection B. First of all, we write A intersection B is equal to element of A, that is UNIVRSAL, and intersection element of B, that is PROBALITY. Now taking the intersection common element or IIRL. Now draw the Venn diagram. First of all, universal set and draw the first set that have common element is IARL and remaining element is UNVS. Now we solve the next part, F part. In F part, set A is equal to the vowel in the word transformations and B set vowel in the word of combination. Now take the intersection A intersection B is equal to AIO intersection AIO. Both are same set, so answer is AIO. Now draw the Venn diagram. First of all, universal set and both are same set, so draw the both set and element is same AIO. Now you can solve the next question, question number 2. It is given that a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7 and the element of set B is 2, 4, 8 and 10. Now we will list all the elements in A intersection B. So in a set notation, first of all, A intersection B is equal to element of set A intersection element of set B, taking the common element in both sets that are 2 and 4. So the answer of first part A intersection B, that is 2 and 4. Now in second part, draw the Venn diagram to represent the set A and B. Then we have draw the universal set. Now we take the first set and draw the second set. 2 and 4 are common element, remaining element in A and B. Now we have in question number 3, it is given that D is equal to set blue, green, yellow, orange, red and pink, and the element of set C is blue, yellow, pink, purple and black. So list the element of C intersection D. So first of all, write the element of C and D and take the common elements that are blue, yellow and pink. So the answer of C intersection D, that is equal to blue, yellow and pink. Now in second part, draw the Venn diagram to represent the C and D. So first of all, universal set and take the first set and draw the second set. They have the common elements B for blue, Y for yellow, and P for pink. These are common and remaining in other elements. So, in question number 4, we have it is given that the universal set is 1, 2, 3, so on 9. Draw the Venn diagram to illustrate the following set in each of the following case. Now we have given the statement is A union B. Now in first part set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4 and set B that is equal to 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now take the union A union B that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 union element of set B 3, 5, 7, 9. In union write all the elements in both sets so the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. Now we can draw the Venn diagram first of all universal set and common element in both is only 3 elements. So number 3 in B part set A is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 and set B is even number 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now taking the union of A union B, then answer is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 all element of set A and B. Now draw the Venn diagram first of all universal set and they have no common element so both are separately divided in other parts. Now in next part C part that is A is equal to 4 and 8 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6 and 8. Here we can see that A is a subset of B. First of all take the union. Now write all the element of A and B that is equal to 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now draw the Venn diagram then universal set and A is contained in B then 4 and 8 is a common element. Now a set is the multiple of 3 and B set is the prime number. So we have take the union of A union B then multiple of 3 is 3, 6 and 9. Union prime numbers 2, 3, 5 and 7. Prime numbers are the numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. In other words, we can say that they have two factors, 1 and itself. Now we take the union, write all the elements in both sets. So answer is 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9. Draw the Venn diagram. First of all, universal set and first set and second set both have only element 3 is common, remaining is not common. Now in E part, multiple of 4 and B set is multiple of 2. So A union B, multiple of 4 is 4 and 8 and multiple of 2 is 2, 4, 6 and 8. Taking the union, so answer is 2, 4, 6 and 8. Draw the Venn diagram. First of all universal set. Now in the first set and second set in contained in first set so that is 4 and 8. Now we will solve the next question, question number 5. It is given that E is equal to 11, 13, 15 and 17 and F is the set of 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 20. Now in first part draw the Venn diagram to represent the E and F. So we can draw the universal set first of all and draw the first set. 11 and 13, these element is not common. And similarly 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20 are not common. 15 and 17 in overlapping set, both are common in E and F. So this is the Venn diagram of E and F. Now in second part, from the Venn diagram list all the elements of E union F. First of all write E union F. First of all element of E, that is 11, 13, 15 and 17 union element of F 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 20. In union both are all elements, so the union answer is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 20. Now the remaining part of basic level in next video. Best of luck. Take care.